today we are going to see what is web scraping and how we can implement the web scraping in Python, why web scraping is used, and is web scraping is legal, and why is Python good for the web scraping, and at the end we will see an example. With the help of web scraping we will extract some data from a website. Okay? Hello, this is Sharda from Go Hub Technologies, and I would like to welcome you all for this continuation of this course, Machine Learning with Python. So till now we have covered lots of topics of Python as well as machine learning. Today I am going to teach you one interesting topic in the Python that is called the web scraping. Okay? So web scraping, how we can implement the web scraping with the help of Python. And how to scrap the data from any website. Okay, so we are going to see all these things. Okay, can you please confirm me, am I audible, clear and loud? Just write in the chat window so that we can continue the session. Okay, so guys, first of all, first thing we will understand what is the web scraping. In the description of this video, you can see this article which I am referring. Okay, you can view this article also. Extracting the data of any website is called the web scraping. In the simple language, I can say, I just want to extract some data from some website directly. Like you have to pull a large amount of data from websites and you want to do it as quickly as possible. Like manually you are going to every website and getting the data. Okay, or you can take an example of Flipkart. I'm just visiting Flipkart and I just want to extract the data. I just want to see the price of different mobile phones. So I'm manually going there and then I'm visiting every product, then comparing the products, and then I'm seeing their features and their price, all these things manually. Okay. But what I want as quickly as a certain analysis or certain data in a particular format I can get with the help of web scraping. How would you do it without doing the manually, without going to the website manually and getting the data? That is called the web scraping. Web scraping is just, this makes your job easier and faster. You are getting data from somewhere easily and in a faster way. That's the main thing. Okay. So now you will learn about web scraping in brief, and then we will see how to extract data from a website with an example. Okay. So now I think you should know what is the web scraping. Then the second question comes to mind is why we need web scraping. What is the web scraping used? Why is web scraping used? Okay. So basically I can tell you, we can write certain important points. Okay. We can write here the certain important points. For that we are using the web scraping. Basically you can say web scraping is used to collect the data or collect large information from websites. Why someone needs to collect such data? To know this, we need to know certain applications of the web scraping. Like one thing is, I cannot say this as a point. This is basically meaning collect the data. Now the question is why we need to collect the data. So we will see certain applications of web scraping. First thing you can say price comparison. Okay. price comparison services, like I just want to compare certain products. I just want to compare price of certain products. Okay, so we can extract data from online shopping websites and we can use it to compare the prices of product. Okay, this is one of the application you can use. Another thing is, you can say email address gathering. Email address gathering, like different companies, lots of companies that uses email as a medium for their marketing, they use web scraping to collect the email ID and then send the bulk emails. Okay, so companies are collecting the email ID through the web scraping. And third application, you can say social media scraping. First, we try to understand what is the web scraping, why we used. After that, we will see one example. Practically, we will implement with the help of the Python. Okay. Social media scraping, web scraping is used to collect the data from social media website, such as Twitter, to find out what's trending. We just want to get what's trending right now. So we can scrap the Twitter. Okay. And then fourth application, you can say research and development. Research and development. What is this? Like web scraping, we can use to collect a large set of data like statistics, general information, temperature, etc. They need lots of data from different websites, and which are analyzed and then used to carry out the surveys for the R&D. Okay, and next application, you can say job listing. Okay, job listings are details regarding job openings. Interviews are collected from different websites and they listed in one place so that it is easily accessible to the users. Okay, so we can use, these are the certain applications of the web scraping. That's why we are using web scraping. Clear, guys? Okay. So next thing is, what is the web scraping? Like I can draw a diagram. What's happening here? It is basically automated method. How we do? Okay, like we have certain web pages. Okay, we have certain web pages, and this is automated process that is used to extract large amount of data from the websites. Data on the websites, you know, that is unstructured way. And this web scraping helps us to collect these unstructured data and store in a structured way, like these web pages, and then here we apply scraping. And then we are getting data in the structured way. Okay, so there are the different ways to scrap the website, like online services, we can have APIs, and we can write our own code. Okay, certain websites have their APIs, so we can extract their data with the help of their APIs. Okay, and sometimes one question also comes to mind, is web scraping legal? Some people ask this question. So if I talking about the web scraping is legal or not, then you can say some websites allow the web scrapings and some don't. It depends on the website. And to know whether a website allows the web scraping or not, you can look at website's robots.txt file. And you can find out this robots.txt file. Every website has this file. And we can find out this file by writing website address and then robots.txt. Okay. So there are the different ways. Okay, you cannot say it is legal, you cannot say it is not legal. It depends on the website's policy. Okay, and now the question comes to mind is how we can do this scrapping. Okay, how we can do this scrapping, at what tool we are going to use. Okay, for this basically I can say we are going to use simple Python. Okay, and why we use Python? Because you know Python is easy to use. Okay, and Python having lots of libraries. Okay, so for the web scraping we also have certain libraries. And it is small code, large task. We can complete the large task in the small code. Okay, so that's why Python is best suitable for the web scraping. Okay, now the process, how we will scrap the data. Okay, first of all we need to ensure which pages we want to extract, like from which website we want to do the scrapping of data. What happens when you decide a website? Okay, you send a request to the URL which you have selected. Okay, like I just want to scrap the data from www.goeduhub.com. So what happens, my request hits to this website, and as a response of this request, server sends the data. Okay, server sends the data and it allows you to read that HTML pages. Okay, we will read HTML pages and then we parse these pages to do the certain formatting. So we parse the pages and we get our result, whatever we want. Okay, so what we need to do, we need to find out the URL, we need to inspect the pages, and then we need to find the data you want to extract. Then we have to write the code and then run the code, extract the data, and then store the data in required format. Certain basic steps we need to do. Like I can write here steps. Okay, first step, I need to find out the URL. Find URL. Second thing is, I decided which URL I just want to hit. Then I need to inspect the pages. What pages I am going to hit. And from those pages, I just want to find out the data which you want. Particular, I don't want complete page things. Data you want. Okay, and then the fourth step is we will write the code. Okay, and then we will run our code and got the data, or you can say extract the data. Okay, after this we will store our data. data in proper format in which we want. Okay, so these are the certain steps we are going to follow. Clear, guys, till now, each and everything? Okay, now we will see the libraries which we can use for the web scraping. There are lots of libraries available. We know Python has various applications and different libraries. So libraries, if I talk about the libraries, okay, so I can say libraries, like we have one library called Selenium. This is basically web testing library, and Selenium is used to automate browser activities. And then second one is Beautiful Song. Okay, it is a Python package for parsing HTML and XML documents. Basically, this creates parse trees that is helpful to extract the data easily. Okay, and third library, Pandas. We can use Pandas also for data manipulation and analysis. Okay, so in this class we are going to use the second library, that is the Beautiful Song. With the help of this library we are going to extract the data. Okay, so like if you want to extract the data from Flipkart, you can go to the Flipkart and you can select particular page. Okay, otherwise you can just follow along with me, and then after the class you can try on your own choice on your any website. Okay, so let me open this article, and what we have, like how to scrap the data from any website, like by using the API that I have already told you, and by using some websites like Twitter, Facebook, YouTube, they have their API, but not every website having their web API. Simple normal websites don't have their APIs. So the websites which don't have API, in that situation we extract the data of the websites by accessing their HTML pages with the help of web scraping. Okay, so here, like Beautiful Song, for the Beautiful Song we need this package inside the Python. Beautiful Song we represent BS4. Okay, how we can install? We can install pip install BS4. Okay, every package simple. And there are some packages we are using here, request and HTML library. Okay, so these some libraries we are going to use during this class. So first of all, what we will do, we will import the libraries. Okay, like till now we got the idea about the web scraping, how does it works, why we use different applications, all these things we know. Now we are going to do some practical part. So let me open the Google Colab, and here I'm going to import the libraries. Okay, import request. Okay, and then I'm importing here Beautiful Song. Okay, from BS4. Okay, from BS4 import Beautiful Song, this one. Okay, basically request, it is a Python library, or you can say this is HTTP library in the Python. Basically with the help of this library we can make a request to a web page. Okay, so first step is we want to make a request to a web page. Okay, so with the help of this request library we can hit a website, and this Beautiful Song is a tool for web scraping. and it helps you to clean up and parse the document you have pulled down from the web. Like basically this will give you the complete document. This will hit the website. You will get some data in the form of HTML, but you just want to process that data. Okay? You just want to clean up or you just want to parse the documents, then you need to use the beautiful shop. You can see the official documentation of this beautiful shop also. You can check out that. Okay? Now I just want to get the HTML content. Okay? Get HTML content. This is very interesting. Like after the class, you guys also get like I just want to extract the data from this website, Okay? So this is very interesting part in the Python. And in the data science also, we use sometimes scrapping. Okay? So I'm picking the website www.goeduhub.com. Okay? I'm picking this website. URL equals to this. I just want to hit this URL. Okay? Then response equals to request dot get URL. Okay? And then I'll print response. In this code, what I am doing here? Firstly, we are taking a website, okay, whose data we want to extract, and then we request its URL with the help of request module. After this, we are printing this response in a variable called the response. Okay, and we will get some output like this. Let me run this. Response 200. That means your request has been accessed. Okay? And I can print the HTML content like here, HTML content equals to response dot content. Okay? I just want to print HTML content. Let me run this. And you can see I'm getting complete HTML code. It's a very big. Okay? So it is an entire HTML file of the site. Okay, so what we will do, we will parse this HTML with the help of beautiful shop. Now we will use beautiful shop. Okay, we have not completed all the modules of the ML, but meanwhile we have left out some Python topics, so that's why I have taken one Python topic today. We have done certain algorithms of the supervised machine learning and one algorithm for the unsupervised machine learning. Okay? There are some more things are left out, but meanwhile today I have picked this topic because this is very interesting and we have to complete the Python part also. Okay, and we need this thing in ML AI also. Okay, so now we will use beautiful shop to parse the HTML content. Okay, so here I'll write shop equals to beautiful shop, and inside this I'll pass HTML content. HTML content, and then I'll convert this HTML content to HTML parser. HTML.parser. Okay, and then I can print this. Now I can run this, and you can see this is little bit in readable form. Unnecessary things are removed. And similarly, I can do one more thing. Like I can more prettify. So soup.prettify. And now you can see this is little bit more better in the better way. Okay, so I got the HTML content and I have passed that content with the help of Beautiful Saw. Here we use the Beautiful Saw package to parse the HTML content. Now what I want certain titles. I want certain things from this HTML page. I don't want the complete HTML. Okay? So I can write the code like this. Print find all, and I want all the title. Okay, title of the web page, and title of the web page is Co-Edu Hub Technologies. Now I want the divisions, div tags. Like in the HTML, there are lots of tags. We have title, we have div, we have certain text, we have hyperlinks. So all these things we can separately get out. Actually, parser is, it will convert your text. Okay, this will parser is basically something that will convert your text in a particular format. Okay, so now I'll print all the divisions. Find all, and then inside the braces I'm putting here div. All the div in the HTML. Only the div. Okay, and I just want to see how many text files in the HTML page, or I just want to get the anchor tags. Okay, so let me write here print dot find all, and inside the braces I'm putting text. Text means text files, and there are no text files in the full HTML page. Okay, now I just want to get the anchor tag. So tag soup dot find all, okay, and for the anchor tag I need to pass a, and I just want to get the particular anchor tag. Like here I'll print this print tag this will give you all the tags like hyperlinks. And I don't want all the hyperlinks. I want a particular like fourth hyperlink. Then you can see fourth hyperlink is online training. Okay, so we can get the different things like what exactly we want. Now I just want to get all the links from the HTML page, anchor tag. Okay, so how I can write the code? Like particular this home page of the GoEdu Hub is redirecting to which pages. I just want to get all the links. Like from this home page, I just want to get all the links. Okay. So for this, I can write the code like this. Like get all the links from HTML page. Okay. So I'm taking anchor equals to soup dot find all. We know that find all. And inside this, I'm putting A. A is for anchor tags. Now, we are taking a set. Set is for unique values. All links equals to set. Empty set. We are taking empty set. Now, we are writing here a loop for link in anchor. Okay. Like here, all the anchor tags. And those anchor tags I'm just putting in a set, so it will take unique values only. Okay, if, and we will also append the initial link. If link dot get href. Okay, hyperlink not equals to blank. Okay, there are the some link. This star means blank and there are the some links means not star. So link print, we will print the link. Link print equals to, here we are putting https://www.goeduhub.com/ and then we will add the link address. Link dot get href. Okay. All underscore link. Okay. Dot add link. And then we will print link. Okay, now we can run this code. And you can see in the output, like we are getting certain links. These are the links to first page, home page. Home page is redirecting to those pages. Are you getting the things? What exactly I am telling you, like how you can get particular data from a website. So we have taken just a simple example. Here we are trying to find out all the links in the URL that we have taken here. What the URL we have taken? www.goeduhub.com. Now we are just thinking we can do it by finding all beautiful job method. Like here I have written like this, but only you can see the links. We cannot click on the links. Like if you will print this, it will give you only the links. You cannot click. And here I can click. And this will open my page. Okay? It's loading. So basically we can get the links. So for getting the links, we have to add this base path. So here first we store the links into the anchor, and then after that we put it a loop on it, and we know many times use this hash. So we will put we are taking if link is not empty, then we will add the base address to the link. Okay, these are the things we can do with the help of web scraping. This is the simple example I have taken. You can take another example. Like I just want to extract the data from Flipkart. And from the Flipkart, I just want to extract some laptops data. Like I can open here. Okay. Here, laptops. In laptops. Okay. From this page. Okay, from this page I just want to get certain data. So what I will do here, I can inspect this page. How can you inspect the page? Okay, basically data is these are the data we are having here, certain different laptops. Okay, these data is in the form of HTML tags. We can inspect any website by clicking, right click here, and then you can click over this inspect button. Okay, just by right clicking over the page and then click on the inspect. And this is the inspect part I'm getting. Okay, this is basically browser window, or you can say browser inspector box. Okay, so what we want to get? Like we want to get the price. Okay, we want to get the some name and rating. So you can go here. Price of this laptop, I need to check out. Okay. So first thing, I just want to inspect here in the arrow, you can select. With the help of this arrow, you can select particular element. I want price. Okay, so here the price tag. This is the price tag. So you can see the class for the price. Okay, you can pick the name of the class. Particular which class you want. So you can pick from here the name of the class. like this. Okay, I have copied this class name. I just want a price. One thing is price class is this one. Let me write here. Equals to this. And similarly, I can pick the another classes. Like I want the name. Like product name I want. So for this, I need to again inspect. So this is my product. And for the product name, this div, and inside this div, you can see HP14S Core i3. So here the class is this one. And I need to copy the name of the class. And I'm putting here product name class equals to, I'm putting this one. Okay, so I got the product name and I got the price, and I just also want the rating. So when I go to the rating, I can inspect rating also. So this is the class for the rating, 4.2 star. I can copy this and I can paste here. Rating class. Okay. I want only these classes. I don't want complete things. I want only these classes from the particular page. Okay. So what I will do here, and the page URL I want, this page URL. Okay, let me copy this. From the Flipkart URL. Okay, from the Flipkart, from this particular page, I just want to get all these 3 classes only. Okay, so I can hit with the help of request. Okay, what I can write here, like import I have already done, and now I'll put one more block. Okay, and then I'll hit this page with the help of request. So URL I have this. I'll comment this part. This is only for my reference. Okay, so URL I have invalid syntax. Okay, I need to put URL in double quotes now. Okay, let me change it. Double quotes. What happened? And this double quotes. Now I'll run this part. This is the URL I have taken only. Okay. Next part is I'll hit this URL. Response equals to request dot get URL. Okay. And then this URL, I'm getting this URL. Okay. And I'm getting HTML content. HTML content equals to response dot content. Okay, and from this HTML I don't want complete HTML, I want like past HTML. Okay, so I'll write here, so equals to beautiful shop, and inside this I'm passing HTML content and then HTML dot parser. Okay, and then I'll print dot prettify. Let me run this. Okay. Okay, this is the HTML content I'm getting. Like site is Flipkart, then different pages, paragraphs, and different things. Simple HTML. I have not done anything. Simple HTML I'm getting from a piece. Now I don't want the complete HTML. Okay, I want certain things only. Or I want some classes. Okay, so classes, how can I find? I'll put 3 lists here. Let me write the code. I'm creating 3 lists. Products equals to empty list, and similarly for the prices equals to empty list, and then ratings. Okay, these 3 lists I'm picking. And now I'll run a loop. Like I just want all the anchor tags with the particular classes. Okay, like I can write this. First I'll simply find out. Like so dot find all, and then I'm getting anchor tags A, guys, are you following along with me? Are you getting the things till now? What I am trying to tell you? Like here I have different classes. I can write directly find, and then here I just want to get the particular div. Okay, and from particular div I just want certain attributes. ATRS equals to, inside the curly braces I need to put the name of the class. Okay, and now I'll put the name of class that I have picked. Yes, this one. Price class, or you can say product name. I'm picking this product name. Okay. put it product equals to this, and then I can print the product. Not text. Let me run this. Like you can see, I got one product name, HP 14S Core i3 10th generation. HP 14S Core i3 10th generation. I want all the products name. I want all the prices, and then I want to store in a you can say Excel sheet, or you can say in 3 list. Okay, so for this I have to run a loop. Okay, and like this is the href, and for this href we have a class. And this class we have to pick. From this class I want different attributes. So I want this class. Okay, this is the complete class for complete product. So this product, from this class I want 3 things. So let me write a loop. Okay, one thing I have printed. Okay, I want all the things. So for I in, or you can say a in soup dot find all. Okay, and then inside the braces I need to put anchor tag a, and then href equals to true. Okay, and one more thing, attributes, attrs. Attributes, here I'm taking a class. Okay, and class colon, inside the single quotes I need to put this class. Okay, this is my outer class, and from this class I want 3 things: names, price and rating. So name equals to, okay, name I want from this thing, soup.find. Okay, so in place of soup I'll write here a.find. Okay, similarly this is for name, product name. Okay, same thing I'll do for price and rating. Rating, I'll change the class names and variables. Okay, first class is for name, and 2 more classes I have. Price class is this one. Okay, I'll put this class. Okay, and then I need one more, that is the rating class. This is rating class. Okay, I have put it all 3 classes from all the links. And next thing is, what I will do, I can add these to products, prices and ratings. So what I can do here, products dot append, okay, name dot text. Similarly I can do for prices dot append, and then inside the prices I can write price dot text, and then one more is ratings dot append. I can write here rating dot text. Let me run this. And I'll simply print one thing, products. This is a list. Why this is empty? Okay. Let me check it out. Maybe there is the class name difference. Why this is coming empty? Let me check it out. Maybe this class name is different. Okay, for links class. This is my link. Yes, I have to pick this class name. Link class is this one. I put it wrong. Yes, we got all the products name. Different laptops. Similarly, we got all the prices. We can put them in Excel sheet. Prices. Like prices we are getting. And then we can compare easily. Are you getting the things? What I have done, I'm getting, this is a particular link. A means link, and link I have provided. From that link, a class of this link class, and from this class I'm getting all the links. Like this is one product. Let me inspect this. Okay, and this is one product. This product, okay, this product class I have taken. And then from this product link I'm taken this. Here also we can see the class name, like in the price it's showing. And for rating also I have picked the class. Similarly for every, like we have done for simple one laptop. Same thing for the another laptop. It's opening. Inspect, and you can see the link class. It's seen. This is product link, and this is our page link class. Okay, so next task you can do easily. You know the pandas. We have 3 different lists. Okay, we got the data in the form of list, and we can store the data in the form of data frame also. Like I can tell you one more thing. I hope you know these things. Like data frame, I need to import the pandas. Import pandas spd. Okay, and then data frame df equals to pd dot data frame. Okay, and inside this I'm writing in the form of a dictionary, like product name okay, and then colon value is products. Okay, similarly I can take the prices comma prices colon value is prices. And similarly, third thing we have ratings. So variable we have rating or ratings, I don't remember. Let me check out. Ratings. Okay. This is my data frame. I can see df dot head. And you can print. And this is the data frame. Like product name, then we are getting the price as well as we are getting the ratings. Okay? Product name, price and rating. And we can save this data frame to CSV also. How can we save the data frame to the CSV? We can write like this df dot to underscore CSV. Like we are reading the CSV, similarly we can write the CSV also, to underscore CSV, and inside the braces we have to provide the name of the file. Like I'm writing here products.csv, and then I can run this simply. I hope this will create a file. Yes, products.csv. We got a file products.csv, and you can open this file. Yes, we have different products. At a glance we can see which product having how much price and then ratings, and then we can pick easily which one we want. Got it? What we have done, we have extracted data, products data from Flipkart. Okay? So we have used pandas, we have used beautiful shop, different things we have used. Okay, I think this is enough for today. We tried to complete all these things related to this data extraction. Where is this? Yeah, Python web scrapping. Okay, if you have any question you can ask me. You guys can ask me any question related to this. Like how we can do and what type. You can just give it a practice. After the practice you will get lots of things. You can pick any site and then just try to create some different things. Like from the Flipkart, I have done this for this particular piece. You can do same thing for the mobiles also. You can extract all the mobile of, yeah, means you can extract all the mobiles that is Samsung different models. So for the Samsung different models, you can get the model name and then their ratings, price, or configuration, different things. Okay. Suraj is asking a question, ma'am, please explain the yesterday task once again about the movie dataset. Like, you can pick any movies dataset and in which we have different movies name and their types. So according to the, like, some other features like their according like action movies and then watch time, we have different parameters. So according to those parameters, just group out those movies into like 4 groups or 5 groups. Okay. And after this class, just do this task also. Like you can get the data of particular company's mobile data. Okay, different products. Okay, guys, thank you so much and good night. See you in the next class.